and welcome. Welcome to Primary Fit. Okay. You have 90 minutes for this question, but actually, if in the competition you have 3 minutes for each question, and if you get some very easy question, then you will try to make use of the time. Okay. Now we start. Okay, let's see. According to pattern, so below what's the number in the graph? Let's see. For these type of question, try use have to calculate the difference between each number between. So this is a +5. This is plus what? This is +6, and this +7, and this +8. So the next time we see 49 + 9, which is 28. Okay. So you just every time you just need to try calculate difference or find the pattern, but this time very easy. So much of you know the answer. Yeah, 58. Yes. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, the age of Paul 6 years later equal to the age of Richard 2 years ago. Different Paul is 16 years old now. How old is Richard now? Okay, now you know that actually come from this statement. This sentence, you will know that Richard is the one older. Yes. Minus 4 will be 6 + 2, which is 8. So now Paul is 16. Richard will be 16 + 8 years old, which equals 24. Okay. Okay. Question 3. Okay. The 18th of August 2021 is a Wednesday. What day of the week will 28th of November 2021 be? Okay. Because in the same year, so to try to calculate how many days between these 2 days. Now we have, let's count it. We have how many days? Oops. Evening in August. This is how many days in August? 31. Now we are going to 18th, so we have 20 days remaining. Okay, and September 30 days. October 31 days, and November we have 28 days. Okay, and this sum it all up, which is 13 + 30 + 31 + 28. What's that? Oops. What's that? 102 is it? 102 days. So now you divide 102 by 7. Oops. We have 14 leaving 4. Okay. 14 times 7 is 98. 90 + 4 is 102. Okay. Now you start counting from Wednesday for 4 days. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So this will be a Sunday. Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay, in the year 2021, how many months are there if date 30th? Now this one. This is a familiar IQ question. Please don't get it wrong, because only February have only 28 days. All other months have 30 days. Okay, at least 30 days. Okay, don't get it wrong. If you get it wrong, then you are very careless, or you have caught COVID and got your memory loss. Okay, so 11. Okay, question 5. How many? I'll be pattern below. How many process stay in the life group? Okay, now we start. There are 2 ways of doing it. Okay, the first way is you count all the other process in your diagram. So this is 1, and this is 6, and this is 13, and this is 22. Okay, and you make a series of 1, 6, 13, and 22, and blah blah blah, etc. And using the skill you learned in question 1, so this is +5, and this is +5, and this is +7, and this is +9. So you find that 5, 7, 9, then what is next? 11, 13, 15, 17, 18, something like blah blah blah, etc. So the fifth one will be 22 + 11, 33. And the next one, this is a 6th one, 13, then it's 46, and 46 + 15, this is what? This is 5, 6, 7, this is 7. Okay, this is 61, and 61 + 17, which is what? 78, yes. Okay, 78 + 19, which is 97. So you got the answer 97? Yeah, both of them got it correct. Or there's other way to do it. Now, let's see. For every diagram, we have a square here. Okay. Okay, this is 1. Okay, that this is 2 × 2 + 2 × 1. And this is 3 × 3 + 2 × 2. And this is 4 × 4 + 2 × 3. So what's the ninth? The ninth will be 9 × 9 + 2 × 8, which is 81 + 8, 81 + 16, which is 97. Finish. Maybe if you got the pattern, then it will be much easier. Then there are 2 ways of doing it. Each other way to get it good. Okay. Okay, 6. Today is Sunday. In what day will 25 days later be? Easier than that day before. You just divide 25 by 7. Okay, do you see 4? So you count 4 days from Sunday, which is the first day. Okay, just that. Nothing special. Okay, next one. Now we come to the part of arithmetic. Question 11. Find the value of 7 × 10 + 15 × 3 + 5 × 17. So of course you can calculate yourself because it's very easy, It is 17 + 45 + 65, which is 200. Okay. Or if you are lazy enough, you can take out the 5 from all the parts. It means that it's become 5 times bracket 7 × 2 plus 3 × 3 plus 17, which become now the numbers are smaller. So you calculate yourself? And 7 × 2 is 14, 3 × 3 is 9, and 17 is, and adding all together will be 14 + 9 + 17, which is 40. Okay, then 200. So you just have to take out the 5. Of course, if you are not careful enough, you cannot read there's a 5 all here. So you just calculate the answer. You just calculate step by step. Okay. 8. Find the value of 1 to 6 divided by 2 plus 1 to 6 divided by 3 and 1 to 6 divided by 7 minus 1 to 6 divided by 9 plus 1 to 6 divided by 14 minus 1 to 6 divided by 21. Okay. Now because you are dividing different numbers, so you cannot adding the divisor together. Because some other question will said that we have something like this 1, 2, 3 divided by 7 plus 25 divided by 7 and plus what? 25 and plus 13 divided by 7. Then you can do that. Then you can do the adding the numerator of all at once, and then so you got 1, 2, 3 plus 25 plus 13. All the thing over 7. Okay, but because the number different is the denominator, you cannot do it. You cannot do it. Okay, because you got a wrong answer. This is correct. But please bear in mind that this is not 126 divided by bracket 2 plus 3 plus 7 minus 9 plus 14 plus 21. Don't do that. Don't do this one. This is absolutely wrong. Okay. If you do this, go back to primary 2. Okay. Don't do this. Okay. Now let's see. So you have to do each term yourself. So this is 63, and this is 41. This is 42, and this is 126 divided by 7. It should be 18, and 126 divided by 9, which is 14. This is 9, and this is 6. So the answer finally will be 63 plus 42 plus 18 minus 14 plus 9 minus 6. Okay, which is what? 112. So it's 112. Yes, 112. Okay. Okay. Any questions? Okay. Now the value. Now find the value of this one. Okay. You just adding up to 10 to just put in the terms of the 10, so it will be easier. So some of you will do something like this one. 143 plus 217 plus 321 plus 119 plus 108 plus 152. That will be better, but I think even this time is a kind of tedious here, but it's still okay. It's still okay. What's this? It's 440, and this is 260. So the answer is what? 1,060. 1,060. Okay. But if I were you, I would do something like this one. I will add it strictly to all together. Okay. Okay. And then I got this one. So you will find 3 pairs of 10s. So this is 0. And carry a 3 up to the 10th digit. And 4, 2, 3, 1 is 10. So it's 6. And carry 1 over. So 1, 2, 3, and this is 10. So finish. Okay. Okay, just like this. Okay, good. Okay, next question. Find the value of 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 plus 22 plus 24. Actually, there are 3 ways of doing it, okay? Now the first way. The first way is that you pair up the start and the end. So you have 2 and 24. This is which is 26, and 4 and 22, which again 26. Okay, etc. You have like this 12 plus 14, which is another 26. So how many 76 are there? There's 6 26. Okay, so this 20 by 6, which is 156. Yeah, most of them are correct. Okay. This is the first method. The second method, you can use the formula directly. Okay. For this kind of sum, because they are the difference the same, so you can use the formula something like this one. Is what? Is I sum up the first term and the last term, and then times the number of terms. Okay, and then divide by 2. Okay, so you can count out terms here. You will find that 12 terms. So is bracket 2 plus 24 times 12 divided by 2. So which is again 26 times 6, which is 156. Or you take 2 first. You take out the 2 first. Equal to 2 times 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus blah, 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 up to 12. Then you will know that directly there is 12 times. So it's 2 times 13 times 12 over 2, which is 156 directly. Okay, I give you 3 methods. You can use it anyway. Okay, next one. Now, actually, I've talked about the method using this one because you found that they all have the 16 number 16 in it. So you just 16 times 23.77. Okay, just that. So equal to 16 times 100, and you know the answer. Say 1600, 1600. Like as you like. Okay, now this one, 111 times 3,333. So we'll start with this one. Actually, you can do it directly, but if one step is wrong, then you will be GG. Okay. Okay, so you start with this one. 11 times 11 is equal to 121. Okay. And then 11 times 111, which is equal to 1,221. Okay, so again, so this one times this one will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, then you will know that this one 1,111 times 111 will become what? 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now 111 times 333, which is 111 times 111 times 3. So you will equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 times 3, which is a very good answer. 369, 963. Yeah. So it's 369,963. Okay. Okay. Any questions? Okay, good. Now 13. Now this is straightforward. Okay, you just put the correct number in the correct place. So this just is 2 plus 3 bracket times times 9 minus 2. So 5 is 5 times 7, which is 35. Finish. Nothing special. Nothing special. Okay. Okay, 14. Now I take a 2-digit number divided by 16 to get a remainder of 2. Find the maximum value of this 2-digit number. Because the maximum 2-digit number, so actually the most that's like is to do something like compound like this is use a 3-digit number, the smallest, which is 100 divided by 16. Now you will find that which is 6 remainder 4. So if 6 really is more than 100, so you just need to subtract 2 from 100, which is 98. Then okay, finish. Just that simple. Just that simple. Of course, there are a variant because if this number is not 16, if I give it 11, then will be another case. Now because you divide 100 by 11, which is 9 in the remainder 1. Okay, and 9 times 11 become 99, but if I 9 plus 11 plus 2 will be 91 plus 2 equal to 101. So it's over 100, which is a 3-digit number. So I cannot take this one. So I have to subtract 11 from 101. So this is 90. Then if the number is 11, then it will become 90 here. Okay. So you have to check. if it's over or not. Okay, 15. Now 15. Oh, so fast. Okay, the sum of A and B is 143. A is 10 times B. Find the value of B. Okay. Now, two ways of doing it. Of course, you can use algebra, but actually, because I'm finding B, so you just divide 143 by 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. Okay. So which is 13. Which is 13. But how can I arrive at this answer? Because you will know that now. Now, let's see. Now, I've separated into A and B. Okay. Because A is 10 times B, so if B is something like this bracket, and A will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah, 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 okay, up to, okay, 10 parts. So there are total 11, 10 plus 1 part. Okay, so you just add these two up, divide by 143, so you get 1 part, the very 1 part. Okay. Or of course you can use algebra, then that will become something like this one. A plus B become 143 and A equal to 10B. So then you got 11B equal to 143, then B is 14, just that. Okay. Now question 16. Now for a small British number can be divisible by 5 and 9. So you need to find the least common multiple first. So it means that the number can be divisible by 5 and 9, which is equal to, actually, because they, okay, so it's 5. So you start with, you multiply 45 by a number is greater than 100. So, of course, you know that this is 3, okay? So, there will be 135. Okay? 135. Okay. Any questions? Okay, next one. Next one. The sum of the consecutive odd numbers is 27. Find the product of all the numbers. So now you need to find all the numbers first. So the one in the middle will be 27 divided by, oh, sorry, it's 9. Okay, so we got all the 3 numbers will be 7, 9, and 11. So you just multiply them. So what's that? 693, is it? Yeah, 693. Okay, nothing special. Okay, how about now there's not 27. I give you 99. Okay, 99. Okay, let's try. Let's try. I give you some time to try. Okay. Now, okay, you got the answer. Okay, I see. Okay. Yes, this three. Because 99 divided by 3 is 33, then you got the three numbers is 31 times 33 times 35, which is 35,805. Okay. Good. Okay, next one. So what's the number for in the arithmetic sequence for the 26th number? Okay. Now you actually for those questions you try to subtract or something like that, or you try to find the difference between two terms. So you will find it's -7. You will find it's -7, and so all the terms become -7 from the last term. So but because they the 26, so you have -7 for how many times? 25 times, yes. So which is 291 times 25 times 7. So it's the answer. Okay. Should be 260. Yeah, 260. Okay. Now let's see. How about the 56th? The 56th. What's it? So you try yourself. Yeah, good, very good. So you will find this is 391 minus 7 times 55, which is 285. So this is 6. Yes, 6. Okay. Good. Okay, question 19. Question 19. Now let's start with this one. Okay. Okay. Next most square wave parameter is 12 cm from the largest square. So what is the largest square? Okay. So it's something like this one. You form a large square from 9 small squares. So many ways of doing it. Many ways of doing it. What can you expect from this one? So now because the parameter is 12 for the small square, so it's the length of the small square with 12 times 3 divided by 4, which is 3. Okay. So it's 3. 3. 3. So you know that. How many are there? How many 3s are there? So this is 12 times 3, which is 36. Or you can use 9 times 4, which is also equal to 36. Both are okay. 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 20. Now it's not the length of two sides of triangles x, cm, and 36 respectively, and all lengths are integers. How are possibility of length of all the sides are there? Now, remember, now I have a triangle. Now triangle. That's 3. That's 16, okay? Now this is 8. This is 30. This is 8 is 30. So this is, I say, this is C, okay? Now, please remember that every two sides of a triangle added must be longer than the first side. So we have 13 plus 8 is greater than C, the first one. Or in the other case, if the triangle is something like this one, Oops. And this is 8, and this is C. Okay. Then we also have what? C plus 8 is greater than 13. So we have these two. Because every two sides of triangle adding is longer than first side. And if not, then we will not be they are not a triangle. So now you can know that here C is more than 21. And from here, you subtract it from both sides. So yes, something like just like a bounce, okay? C is greater than 5. So you will find that C, you group it together, so you will find is 5 is less than C, which is less than 21. So what is the value of C? You will find 6, 7, 8, 9, and blah blah blah, and up to 20. How many numbers are there? From 6 to 20. Yes, 15. Yeah, you can use this one, 20 minus 6 plus 1 using a formula. But please don't remember so many formulas, because you have a day you have lost your memory because you caught COVID. Okay. So how can I know that there's 15 times here? From counting from 6 to 20, just like counting from 1 to 20, counting from 1 to 20, outing 1 to 5. So it's just 20 minus 5, which is 15. Just that. Okay. So, any questions? Any questions? Good. Okay, 21. Now, 1 unit square is 1 square face in small cube. That is how many unit squares are there if it's a view from below from the top. So view from here. So you just count. Yes, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay. How about any questions? No question. Okay. How about count from here, from the right hand side? Okay. Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 only, because this is shaded. This is shaded. This is shaded. Okay. Yeah, this is shaded by fur. You cannot see it from this way. You cannot see this one also. Okay. Good. Okay. 22. A pyramid has 68 vertices. How many edges does this pyramid have? Okay, very good. Very fast. 68 minus 1 times 2. Yeah. This is 134. So we have 134 edges. Now this one should you maybe you have you have memorized the formula, so you just get the answer. But if you just repeat it that day, how can I get this answer? So you know that because it's a pyramid, it has 68 vertices. So the base, so you should just think of the base, will be a 67 side polygon. Okay, so how many edges? Then the edges will be 67 times 2, which is 34 edges. Okay, just that. Any questions? Okay, good. 23. At least how many pieces can we get if we cut a cake 6 times? Okay. Now this is a little bit tricky, but it's okay. Now if you are smart, then you will know that if the answer is 7. Yes, the answer is 7 because the answer is 7. Because you cut it something like that, the cutting line does not intersect, and you got something like this one. Okay, but now, just for kidding, if this is a IQ question, this is IQ question. The answer I will answer too. Why? Why? Yes, just cut in the same pace. So you just like check your steps. The stepping a zombie in the Dracula, you step in the same pace and you step 6 times. Okay, then you cut into 2 parts. Okay, but how many at least now at least? Then if not at least, at most. At most. How about at most? Yes, at most. Let's try it. I give you some time to try it. Actually, this is a little bit tricky. Okay, some of the answer 16 and some answer 36. Okay, some answer was okay. Now you just try because actually if I cut in something like this one, or maybe I put it better. Okay. I will cut the cake in the 7 parts. Okay. Okay, so this view from top. So if it view from the horizontal part, this is top view. This is side view. Again, I do the same thing again. So 7 parts again. So you count the parts here. So every pass you can is cut in 7 pieces. So there is 7 times 7, which is at most 49 parts. Okay. Okay. Now, of course, I won't try it myself. You can try it at home. Okay. But your mom will beat you up. Okay. You can try it to your own cake, but your mom will beat you up. Okay. But it's okay anyway. Okay, next one. A rectangle has a perimeter 90. The length of the width of the both integers. What is the maximum possible area among the rectangle? So these. So you just find something to, okay, let's see. We have the maximum possible area, but we have perimeter of 90. So, okay. Now for the same area, we have some shape like this one and some shape like this one. Okay. Now, you'll find if I have the perimeter 90, and because the perimeter means length and breadth add together and times 2. So half the perimeter will be this one. So this was, if in the maximum case, we have 1 here and we have 44 here. Okay. So the area here is 44, 1 times 44, which is 44. And how about this one? If I make it something like turn it almost a square, so we have 23 here and 22 here. So the answer will be 23 times 22, which is 506. So obviously, this one is the largest. Okay. Of course, answer 506. But for instance, you may treat it as you make it. If I want the maximum possible area, then I almost turn into squares. But actually, the answer should be a circle. The answer should be a circle. Okay. And but for your level, you just take it as square. So if you want to find something to memorize these things, so you will find the smallest area will become a French fries in McDonald's. And for this one, you think of a Snorlax, okay? Or do you know a Snorlax? Oh yeah, good, very good. No, it's Snorlax, okay. Yeah, the fatty one, yes, the fat guy. Okay, next one, 25. What is the smallest 5-digit odd number by using 0, 2, 3, 7, and 8? So, of course, we all know the answer. It's very easy. Okay, so the answer is 20387. Okay, but some of you may answer this one, but this is even. No, this is even. Okay, I want an odd number. So I have to put a 7 on the back. Okay. Okay. Question 26. How many 2-digit even numbers are there such that the number contains a digit 4? Okay. Actually, you can count it directly. So we have 40, 42, 44, 46, and 48 for the 10th digit, and 14, 24, 24, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, and 94. Okay, but now you see 44 I can't try. So 9 plus 5 minus 1. Okay, it's 13. Just that. Nothing special. Okay. 27. Number drawn from 25 integer from 1 to 25. And it's how many numbers are drawn at random to ensure that there are 2 numbers whose sum is 19. So for this kind of question, you just try the combos adding to 19. So put them up. So I have 1 and 18. Okay, and I go 2 and 17. and 3 and 16, blah, blah, and up to 9 to 10, 9 and 10. Of course, and there are other groups, 20, so 19, 20, 21, and up to 25. But because we need to ensure that the case happens, so in some unlucky cases, we will get 19 to 25 drawn, draw this number, and all the pairs get one number drawn, and then the last number will get the job done. Okay, so you can use the formula 25 minus what? Minus that 9 groups, so minus 9 plus 1. Okay, so this will be 17. This will be 17. So you just count the numbers here, 30 to 25, which is 7, and plus 9 plus 1 also is okay. So this 17 also. Because there are 7 numbers here, there are 9 groups here, so 7 plus 9. And the last one will be at the last number drawn to get the job done. Okay. 28. Calculate 2 $10 notes, 3 $20 notes, and 3 $100 notes. If a toy car costs $39, how many toy cars here buy? So you just add all these numbers here, all these amounts here. So you got 10 times 2 plus 20 times 3 plus 100 times 3, which is 280. So obviously, we can have only 9 cars. Because 29 times 10 is 390, but we have 380, just that, okay? So obvious. Okay. 29. Okay, wow, so fast. Okay. Now, for this kind of question, we actually we have some other ways of doing it, but now we start with this one. Okay. Now we we have A. We enter the map in A, and we go to here to finish as B. So you just like some games you play. So this is the entrance, and B is for balls. B for balls, okay. And we start with A is 1. So this is the point which the leaders you can have to hit, okay. So this 1 and 1 and 1, because these spaces can only go from A, okay. It's also 1 and 1 and 1. And for this space we have 2 ways to do it. First, this is going from here, and I can go from here. So you have to add these 2 numbers here. So this is 1 plus 1. This is 2. Okay. And this again is 1 plus 1 equals 2 is 3. So this is 4, and this is 3, and this is 4. So this 3 plus 4, which is 7, and this is 11. Okay. Okay, let's make some change to the map, and I think you can do it. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now you can try yourself. I have to give some time. You have to try. Okay. Oops. Okay, you can try something like this one. So again. This is 6. This is 10. This is 10. This is 20. and it's 15, so it's 25. Nothing special, okay? Of course, there are some other ways to do it. Okay, good. Now the last one. The last one. Now, a group of students are taking photos at a time. So each student take photo of families to schoolmate. How many pictures is this to be taken? So, okay. So the method you can use is to name all the students from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Now we check the photos, which is ABC, ABB, ABE, ABF, ABG, ABH. Okay. Then ACD, ACE, ACF, ACG, ACH, and ADE, ADF, ADG, ADH, and AEF, AEG, AH, AFG, AH, AGH. So now you can count 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 with straight one here. Okay. And then you start with B. B, C, D. Now you start finding that it's very tedious. So, okay, actually, this is up to BCE and blah, 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 and blah, blah, and up to BGH, and you'll find 15 here. You'll find 15 here. For C, then will be 10. Let's start with D, then will be 6. And start with E, with 3. And start with F. Because we have F, G, H only, okay, we have 1. So sum the total is 21 plus 15 plus 10 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1, which is what? 56. Is it 56? Okay. Now, if you are careful enough, you will find that all these numbers are all these numbers are triangular numbers. So they form in a triangle. So actually, this is the sum of triangular numbers. But what triangular numbers you have to add? Then you have to check. Of course, there's another way of doing it. Okay. Yes. Yes. Good. Okay. If you are using C, okay, and if you're using C, then what happened? If you're using C, then you have XC3 because you are taking three guys, because one guy taking photo of 2 guys, so it's 3 guys. So they're taking 3 guys together. So this is 8 times 7, times 6 over 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, which is also 56. Or y 3 times 2 times 7, or 8, 7. Now let's see. If you take out ABC, okay, it's 3 guys. How many ways to group ABC, taking out ABC? So we have ABC, of course. Now we have ACB. Now we have BAC. Now we have BCA. Now we have CAB. Now we have CBA. 6 ways, which is 3 by 2 by 1. Okay. How about x by 6 is 5? So x by 7 by 6 is that you have to pick one from the guys first. So and then pick one from the 7 million guys and pick one from the 6 million guys that over. So it's 8 times 7 by 6. And divide by this one. Any questions? Okay, before we stop, I give you one more question to try. Now, oops. We have a square here. We have a square here. I know that. The diagonal here. Okay. So we have a now know that this is 20 and this is 7 and this is 45 degrees. It's 45 degrees. So okay. Just try. Okay, good. Nope. I have to see them. Still a good answer. Okay. Now we start this one. Actually, very simple, but if you're not careful enough, you can't find it. Now let's start. Now I will extend this one to here. Okay. Okay, good. Now, what one here will be this one. Is a right angle, and this is over 45. Okay. Now, this will be 7. This will be 7. And this shape. Maybe I use the other color. I use black. This shape. It's a parallelogram. Okay, this is parallelogram. And this is also diagonal, so this 20. So the opposite side of a parallelogram is same. And so the answer is 20 minus 7, which is 13. Oh, you don't know why this is 7? Okay. And it's just that easy because this is if I have 45, 90, this is a isosceles because this is 2 angles equal. So these two sides will be equal. Okay, so this is both 7. Okay. If no question, now you can, if you have no question, you may leave, or if you have another question on this paper, you can ask me afterwards. Okay.